Thank you for joining me for the power scripture of the day. That is the power scripture of the day found in the book of Proverbs, chapter 1, verses 1 through 12. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and discipline. My son, heed the discipline of your father, and do not forsake the instruction of your mother, for they are a graceful wreath upon your head, a necklace about your throat. My son, if sinners entice you, do not yield. If they say, come with us, let us set an ambush to shed blood. Let us lie in wait for the innocent without cause like Sheol. Let us swallow them alive, whole, like those who go down to the pit. This has been the power scripture of the day. This has been the power scripture of the day. Thank you for joining me for the power scripture of the day. And remember, there's power in